Hello. So in the last topic, what we have done, we created ER diagram and converted this ER diagram into relational database tables. So now it is the time to work on the reports. The report can be varying from company to company, time to time. These can vary. So let's create a simple report. Create a report of employee with department name. So first we need to check where employee details are found. So if we can see employee details, we can see in the employee table and department details we can see in the department table. That means we will have to work on those tables, department table and employee table. So for this purpose, we will use the join and try to get the report as expected. So let me write the query. I will be explaining you. Select asterisk from employee inner inner join department. And let me create the alias at the same time inner employee E and department D on. That means what are the matching columns? So both tables have a common field that is department ID. In the department table we have department ID as well, and in the employee table we have matching. So we will write E dot department ID equals D dot department ID. So this is a simple inner join. If we run this, we will get the expected result. Now, if we are not interested in department ID and department ID, it is coming two times. We just need employee ID, name, location, salary, and department name. So what we can do, we can instead of writing asterisk, we can give the column names. So let me write it again. So here what we have done, we have created alias of employee table. So we will write E dot. You see, it is ask giving E dot employee ID, comma E dot name, comma E dot location, E dot salary, and E dot D dot department name, right? So if we run this one, this we get the expected result. It is providing us the employee ID, name, location, salary, and department name. So this is one report that we wanted. Now, if our requirement is to create a report of the of the employees who are assigned any task. So that means it is asking the details of employee who are working on any task. So where we can find this detail? So if we see this table, employee task, right? Employee task. So in the employee task table, we can see there is a employee ID and task ID. So what output we are required? Let us try to understand. So if I use SSMS, then you will understand. Because if you have knowledge about join, that is very helpful. But as of now, I am telling you in visual diagram, so you will understand it properly, right? So what table we have? We need department ID, we need employee ID, and we need employee task. So these are the three tables that we are going to use and see how this result will be found. So now, if we see what we have tables, employee table, Now write this table and this table. So what are the things we are required? So first you see this department ID is matching here. So we can give department ID and match this. So if we put our cursor, it is making inner join with the department and employee table, right? Again, if you see what task is assigned to employee, so one table is also missing. One table is also missing, that is task. Let me take this one as well, then you will find it more convenient, right? So if you see, this table is also referring employee ID. Here you see. So this is also joining with employee task as well, correct? And this task ID we can map with the task table, right? So all these are combined all together. Now what details we are required? So if we need employee ID, name, location, and what is their department, and what is the task they are assigned, what is the assigned date, what is the task status and completion date. That is done, press OK. So your query is ready as of now. See this one. This query is ready, and if we execute, we get the expected result. So it is making join with these tables, but it is very important to make joins very wisely because sometimes the cost of the query can be too much. So little later I will be telling you how to optimize these SQL queries. So as of now we are done with this query and it is giving the expected result because all these details we have not updated when it is completed. So whenever the task is completed, it is updated by the employee. So that will come. So this report is also ready. So thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.